Discover how a global smart home technology brand transformed its e-commerce experience with a modern, scalable platform. Our client is a leading smart home security company, delivering innovative monitoring systems to millions of users worldwide. Their mission is global reach combined with a privacy-first approach to technology and consumer electronics. As the business scaled, their legacy e-commerce platform began limiting speed, flexibility, and agility. Simple design updates required heavy development, mobile performance lagged, and maintenance costs continued to rise. Our team led a full-scale migration to a modern, mobile-first e-commerce platform, rebuilding everything from the ground up. We rebuilt the entire system while preserving every design element and critical feature that defined their brand. The result was a seamless transition to a faster, more manageable experience, optimized for performance and growth. In just 30 days, they saw a 15% increase in conversion rates and significantly reduced maintenance overhead. This migration empowered the business with speed and scalability. Modern e-commerce, seamless migration, real results.